Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to comply with email privacy laws using Gmail step by step. Following email privacy laws is crucial for businesses, marketers, and anyone sending professional emails. This full guide for 2026 will help you protect recipients' privacy and avoid legal issues. First, understand the basics of email privacy laws like GDPR, CANSPAM, and CCPA. These laws require consent before sending emails, an unsubscribe option, and protection of personal data. Always get consent before sending marketing or bulk emails using Google Forms, opt-in checkboxes, or verified subscription lists. Include an unsubscribe link in all bulk emails. Use BCC instead of CC when emailing multiple recipients to protect their privacy. Use Gmail confidential mode for sensitive content, set expiration dates, prevent forwarding, and require SMS passcodes. Organize emails with labels and folders, enable two-factor authentication, and use strong passwords. Regularly audit your Gmail account and delete or archive old personal data. Combine Gmail features with Google Workspace policies and train your team to follow privacy regulations. And yeah, that's how to comply with email privacy laws using Gmail step by step in 2026. If this helped you send emails safely and legally like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.